Good morning, everybody. Jonathan, Montana Fire Pits, here with you this morning. A beautiful summer day right here in Missoula, Montana. We are going to go over sort of what to expect in GFRC fire bowls and fire tables. GFRC, of course, stands for glass fiber reinforced concrete. So here we are in front of one of our Gather series. This is the Toba. And what we did is just applied a new sealer across the top. Now, this is not something that you have to do. It's your choice. The top of these are going to weather naturally over time. It's a natural stone. It's going to develop some discoloration, some mottling, maybe even some hairline cracks. Don't be alarmed. If you choose to reseal it, it's a fairly simple, straightforward process that we can send you a kit for and we have an instructional video for. The point is that applying a resealer is not a big deal and it's your choice. So let's show you how it's done. Step one in sort of refinishing this top. The top sealer is all we're replacing. I'm just going to start with a series of sanding discs from 400, 800, and 1000 grit, just to get that top layer off. Simple as that. The sealer kit comes with this spray bottle, to which you're only going to fill it up to this line. You're just diluting it with a little bit of water. You have a bottle of the actual sealer and a bottle of the hardener. And what we're gonna do is just mix both in there, shake it up a little bit, and spray that finish on. Shake vigorously for 1 minute.